Meet the HE&M WF1827A automatic dual column wide flange bandsaw, designed specifically for cutting structural shapes and bundles. The saw has a cutting capacity of 27 inches wide by 18 inches high, uses a 1.5-inch blade with a 9.2 degree blade cant to facilitate smoother blade entry and exit with better blade tooth loading. The blade is driven by a 10 horsepower, 3-phase motor that can be set up for 220 or 440 volts. The saw uses a reliable 5 horsepower, pressure compensated variable volume hydraulic system for years of reliable service. The WF1827A has multiple vising and clamping options to secure various material in place to ensure accurate cuts, including standard full choking bi-directional main and feed saw vices, and an optional bi-directional outboard vise. The vices have adjustable variable pressure, and wear plates on the vise and saw beds are heavy duty and easily replaceable. Full capacity top clamps can be added to the main and the optional outboard vise for vertical clamping of structural shapes and when material bundles are to be cut. A swing-away control console is conveniently located on the front of the saw for mechanical and all electronical functions. This allows the operator to easily control the cut while seeing the progress clearly. The touchscreen control, located on the console, is a PLC-driven system with a heavy-duty industrial touchscreen interface for many functions and operations. The touchscreen display provides easy-to-use menu navigations for running and setting up a single manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic cuts, as well as functions to monitor and troubleshoot the saw. All motion operations require 2 hands to operate, reducing the exposure to hazards and running the equipment. Variable blade speed is easily adjusted with blade speed readout displayed on the touchscreen. Cutting force and the blade feed rate are adjustable to control the saw arm to cut various types of material. The patented passive cut watcher system monitors the cut for squareness to the preset deviation value. The system shuts down the saw when the preset value is exceeded. The saw has a standard 0 to 48-inch stroke servo bar feed with multiple indexing. The servo twin ball screw bar feed allows for faster movement and higher repeatability. The unique design uses 2 ball screws to reduce the side loading caused by different size material, allowing for more accurate positioning. Carbide and roller blade guides help maintain blade stability and precision, providing rigid support by reducing blade defection and minimizing wear, ensuring accurate cuts and extended blade life. The roller discharge table is welded to the machine base for easier material handling after the cut. The table is 24 inches in length and is fully coolant panned to return coolant to the machine. The guide arm is powered and adjustable to provide optimum blade support as material sizes change, holding the blade securely, providing straighter cuts and longer blade life. A LED work light is available to easily view the cutting area. A chip conveyor removes chips from the cutting area into an easy-to-empty container. Chips and coolant are separate in 2 different tanks. A powered blade chip brush is driven by an assembly mounted on the drive band wheel to remove chips that become lodged in the blade gullets. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with a sealed coolant pump, with a coolant that is dispensed with the guide arms on both sides of the cut. A cutting fluid washout hose is provided for the machine cleanup. A spray mist system is also available as an option to lubricate the blade with a mist that is adjustable. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M WF1827A automatic dual column wide flange production bandsaw. If you would like more information or to submit a quote, please visit hemsaw.com.